What high trust content looks like. Hi, I'm Kimberly, owner of Red Glasses Marketing. If you've ever wondered why some businesses seem to attract clients effortlessly, while others feel like they're constantly chasing attention, the difference often comes down to trust. High trust content doesn't shout louder, it communicates more clearly. And in today's online environment, trust is one of the most valuable things your marketing can build. Many business owners assume high trust content means posting testimonials or sharing credentials. And while those things can help, trust actually starts much earlier in the conversation. High trust content begins with clarity. Your audience should quickly understand who you serve, what problems you solve, and what working with you might look like. When your messaging is vague or overly broad, people struggle to place themselves in your content. Clarity helps the right people recognize themselves immediately. Another key element of high trust content is consistency. Trust doesn't come from one viral post. It develops through repeated, helpful touch points. When someone sees your posts regularly, offering thoughtful insight, practical advice, or using perspective, they begin to see you as a reliable resource. Consistently, quietly builds over time. High trust content also focuses on serving before selling. Instead of constantly pushing offers, it helps your audience understand problems they may be facing and the solution that exists. It educates, reassures, and guides. When people feel supported by your content, they are far more open to working with you later. Another important element is perspective. High trust content often shares thoughtful observations or insights that help people see their challenges differently. This positions you not just as a service provider, but as someone who understands the bigger picture. And finally, high trust content always points somewhere helpful, whether it's a blog, a post, an email list, or next steps someone can take. Strong content gently guides the reader forward instead of leaving them wondering what to do next. When clarity, consistency, service, and perspective come together, something powerful happens. Your content stops feeling like marketing. It starts feeling like leadership. And that's when people begin to trust you long before they ever reach out. If you would like to explore this idea further, I've written a full blog that breaks down exactly what high trust content looks like and how you can start creating it on your own. You'll find the link below. Make today amazing.